Okay, hello. Hello, student. Today again we are continue this last lecture, that is epidermis of the skin. We have seen this hair, skin, glands, and nails and their functions. Now it is this accessory structure of the skin is it is include hair, skin, gland, and nails. Nails, sorry. These hairs is nothing but the pili or pili have a number of important functions such as the protection of the skin, the reduction of the heat loss of their skin, sensory organs when the predator or the harmful animals they are touches with their skin of their animals. These hairs are the skins they are given the sensation to the central nervous system. So the all these accessory structure of the skin like hair, skin, glands, and nails is the important structure of their body. Hair is composed of dead केरॅटिनाइज्ड एपिडर्मल सेल्स. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपल्या हेडवर डॅन्ड्रफ तयार होते किंवा स्किन डेड होते त्याला आपण केरॅटिनाइज्ड म्हणतात आणि दॅट इज वन ऑफ द एपिडर्मल cell. And this hair is consist of the shaft which mostly project above the surface of the skin, and the root which penetrates into the dermis, hair follicles, and the epithelium root health, that is internal, and dermal root sheath, that is a external. So the epidermal cells, the internal and the external is most important for the epithelial cells. Now so you can see this one of the transverse section of the hair roots. If you are going to see this root, it is very difficult to assess. See this root, and this type of the skins, these roots, when you are see as a number of hair roots that is found in the sebaceous gland, hair root plexus, bulb, then medulla, cortex, and cuticle of the hair. So this type of the hairs they are present in their roots and transverse section of the hair roots. So it is very difficult when you are going to observe the microscopic study purpose of their hairs. Then the skin, there are different types of hairs including the lanigo, vellus hairs, and terminal hairs. The hair color is determined by the amount and type of melanin, keratin, and blood. See, some people having a brown colored hair, some people having a white color, and some people having a black color. So due to that, there is a one of the important pigments they are secretion in their individual animals or individual mammals. Due to that, the hairs color they are found. So that purpose is that the pigment of the melanin, keratin, and the blood. The sebaceous, that is oil glands, are connected to the hair follicles, and the skin gland, the sebaceous gland secrete an oily substance called the sebum, which prevents dehydration of hair and skin and inhibits growth of certain bacteria. The sudoriferous sweat glands, that is two types, Eccrine or merocrine sweat glands, apocrine sweat glands, and then sudoriferous, that is sweat glands. It is the numerous eccrine or merocrine sweat glands helps to cool the body by evaporating and also eliminates the small amounts of waste. And the apocrine glands or sweat glands, they are releases the many holes of their body of the humans, and it is located on the skin of the axilla, groin, areola, and bearded facial regions of the adult's male. म्हणजे जशी जे मेल आहे त्यांच्या मेलच्या दाढी आहे, त्या दाढीमध्ये जे हेअर्स आहे त्याच्यामधून सुद्धा स्वेट ग्लँड रिलीज होतात, त्याला एपोक्राइन ग्लँड्स म्हणतात. Their excretory ducts open into hair follicles, and the sweat is secreted during the emotional stress and sexual excitement. The ceruminous glands, it is modified sweat glands located in the ear canal along with nearby sebaceous glands. They are involved in producing a waxy secretion called the cerumen, that is ear wax, and which provides a sticky barrier that prevents entry of foreign bodies into the ear canal. So, what is the use of nails? Nails is also one of the important the derivatives of the animals. For example, you can see the lion, crocodiles. These are the large animals. They are mostly use these nails for the hunting the animals and prey the animals. The nails composed of hard keratinized epidermal cells located over the dorsal surface of the ends of finger and toes, and each nails consist of free edge transparent nail body plate with a whitish lunula at its base, a nail root embedded in a fold of skin. The nails फ्री एज नेल बॉडी प्लेट. फ्री एज म्हणजे आपण जे नेल्स बाहेर आलेले आहेत ते नेहमी रिमूव्ह करतो, त्याला फ्री एज म्हणतात. आणि त्याच्या मागचा जो मेन पार्ट आहे त्याला आपण नेल बॉडी म्हणतात किंवा नेल प्लेट. त्याच्यात लुनुला, हिपोनायचियम, नेल रूट अशा प्रकारे त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर असते. सॅजिटल सेक्शन बघितलं आपण तर इंटरनल नेल्सचं असं आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. ओके. आता नेलचे स्किनचे कोणकोणते टाईप्स आहे? मेजरली 2 टाईप्स आहे, थिन आणि थिक स्किन. द थिन स्किन इज कवर्ड ऑल बॉडी रिजन्स एक्सेप्ट द palmar surface of digits and soles. Thick hairless skin cover the palms and the palmar surface of digits and soles. Function of the skin: the regulation of body temperature, blood reservoir, protection, cutaneous sensations, excretion, absorption and synthesis of the vitamins B. Vitamin D is the main function of the skin. If they don't have any type of the skin, they do not tolerate the temperature, whether it is a high temperature or low temperature. Then epidermal wound healing. आपल्याला जर जखम झाली तर स्किन काय करते, भरून काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. भरून नाही काढली तर तिथं गँग्रियन किंवा आणखी काही आजार होऊ शकते. डीप वुंड हिलिंग, खूप मोठी इंजुरी झाली तर ते सुद्धा भरून काढते, त्याला इन्फ्लॅमेटरी फेज आणि मॅच्युरेशन फेज म्हणतात. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द इंटिग्युमेंटरी सिस्टीम इज द एपिडर्म इज डेव्हलप फ्रॉम एक्टोडर्म nail hair, skin, glands are epidermal, and the derivative, the epidermal of a fetus is protected by a fatty substance called vernix caseosa. The term is developed from the mesoderm, and this epidermis layer is, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, also they are found. And aging and the integumentary system effects is wrinkling, a decrease of skin immune responsiveness, dehydration and cracking of the skin, decreased sweat production, decreased number of functional melanin.